What if you could choose? The best master in architecture in Spain. The one and unique program offering an international and business-oriented approach. The one and unique program with 3 immersion weeks in Amsterdam at UN Studio, a practice with over 220 international awards. The one and unique school with an extensive network connecting you to top global architecture studios. With 100% employability and access to MIT Fab Lab for hands-on experience. Gain professional licensure in Spain and the European Union. Redefine the profession from day one. Design ahead.